in this space. It is time to make some chive butter. Chive butter is made from the blooms of the chives that have overwintered, and spring is the season to bring those chives up. It is so good and very colorful. It's an oniony type of butter. You simply clip off the blooms, soak them to get out all the bugs, dry them out real well, and then you fold them into your butter. So good. Let's go through and harvest some chive blooms. This last spot is my old herb area. It has since decayed and now needs to be replaced. But my chives look great, so we're going to harvest from that as well. Again, take your bloom and just pop off. And I do leave a few for our insects. We have a good amount. Let's go soak. Soak in the blooms for about 10 to 12 minutes to lift out any bugs or dirt. One final rinse, and then rinsing while in the strainer. Laying out the paper towels so I can open each bloom and let it air dry, looking for any bugs and dirt. While I pat it dry, I let it dry on its own overnight after going through to open the blooms and allow airflow. Picking the petals off of each bloom allows us to sprinkle these dried and clean petals in, and then we just fold it into the butter, and then we can add it to any bread, fry some grilled cheese with it. It is so good. Follow for more.